Hello, my friend. Learning English is like starting a big journey. At first, it may feel exciting, but soon many learners face frustration. There are too many grammar rules, endless vocabulary lists, and a constant fear of speaking incorrectly. I used to feel the same way. I thought learning English would take forever. But then I discovered something important. It is not about working harder. It is about working smarter. If you use a few simple tricks, you can learn English faster, feel more confident, and enjoy the process. Let me walk you through these tricks and show you how and when to use them. The first trick is to learn phrases, not just words. In the past, learners believed memorizing long vocabulary lists was the best way to build English skills. But modern research shows that phrases are far more useful. Why? Because when you know phrases, you can speak naturally without worrying about grammar in every sentence. For example, instead of memorizing the single word busy, it is much better to learn I'm busy right now. Instead of remembering only hungry, you can use I'm really hungry. These phrases are ready-made and can be used immediately in conversation. You should use this trick whenever you practice daily speaking or small talk. It saves you time and helps you sound more fluent. The second trick is to practice speaking from day one. Many learners make the mistake of waiting until their grammar is perfect before they speak. But this only slows you down. Think about children. When they learn their first language, they don't wait years to master grammar. They just start speaking, make mistakes, and learn through corrections. You should do the same. If you say, I go shop, someone might correct you by saying, oh, you mean I'm going to the shop. That correction will stay in your mind and help you improve. Use this trick in conversations with friends, teachers, or even language partners online. Speaking from the start will make you confident and accelerate your learning. The third trick is to use English every single day. History and experience both prove that daily exposure is more powerful than long study sessions once in a while. It's just like exercising. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. You can create your own English world wherever you are. Change your phone settings to English. Watch Netflix shows with subtitles. Write your daily tasks in English. Even when you are cooking or walking, try speaking to yourself in English. This trick should be used anytime, especially in small free moments of your day. By surrounding yourself with English daily, you train your brain to think in the language naturally. The fourth trick is to focus on listening first. Think of babies again. They spend months listening before they say a single word. Listening is the foundation of speaking. The more you listen, the more your brain absorbs sounds, rhythms, and patterns. Start by listening to short podcasts, songs, or YouTube videos. At first, you may not understand everything, and that's okay. Focus on the flow and repeat later with subtitles. Over time, you will begin to catch words and phrases automatically. This trick is best used when you're commuting, cooking, or doing activities where you can listen passively. The key is consistency. Make listening part of your daily routine, and your speaking will naturally improve. The fifth trick is to make mistakes proudly. Many learners feel shy or embarrassed about errors, but mistakes are the fastest way to learn. Every successful English speaker has made thousands of them. For example, you might say, "She go school yesterday." Someone corrects you with, "She went to school yesterday." That one correction will teach you more than reading a grammar book for hours. Use this trick whenever you speak or write in English. Remember, if you are not making mistakes, it probably means you are not practicing enough. Be brave, take risks, and treat every mistake as a lesson that moves you forward. The sixth trick is to learn what you actually need. One problem many learners face is wasting time on vocabulary or grammar that is not useful for their lives. Instead, focus on the English that matters to you. If you're traveling, practice phrases for airports, hotels, and restaurants. If you need English for work, concentrate on business phrases, email writing, and meetings. If you just want to socialize, learn casual phrases like, "How's it going?" or "That sounds great." This trick should be used whenever you have a clear purpose for your English learning. By focusing on relevant content, you will stay motivated and see faster results. The seventh trick is to use smart tools and friends. In the past, learners only had books, but now we live in the golden age of technology. You can use Duolingo to practice vocabulary, Grammarly to check your writing, and AI tools like ChatGPT to practice conversations. Even better, find a friend or language partner to practice speaking daily, even for just 10 minutes. Tools and friends keep you motivated, correct your mistakes, and make learning more fun. Use this trick whenever you study, whether during a short break while traveling, or when you want interactive practice. Learning with support is always faster than learning alone. In the end, learning English faster is not about memorizing every rule or word. It's about learning smart. Focus on useful phrases. Speak from the first day. Surround yourself with English daily. Listen as much as possible. Embrace mistakes. Practice only what you need. And use modern tools and friends to help you. These simple tricks will not only save you time, but also make English a natural part of your life. Now let me ask you, would you like me to design a 7-day speed learning challenge where each day focuses on one of these tricks with exact tasks? That way, you can put them into action immediately and feel the difference.